So will we discuss about how to download MinGW. So click to Chrome browser and type here MinGW download and search and go to first link. So open to screen and go to download and wait. Your MinGW is download. So double click and click to install and continue and run now. Click. So packages and all packages and apply and so click to close and back to desktop. So search file manager and go to file manager. So click to this PC and go to C drive and click to MinGW and click win and go to search bar and copy this path and go to environment variable and environment variable click and go to path and click to path and edit and OK. So new and OK. So go to CMD and type here G++ version. So enter. So your MinGW is completely download. So thank you.